Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate Monday.com groups. A comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process of streamlining your workflow and increasing productivity. To begin, it is essential to understand what Monday.com is and how it works. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their tasks, projects, and workflows in one place. Automating Monday.com groups involves using the platform's automation features to reduce manual labor and minimize errors. The first step in automating Monday.com groups is to create a new automation. This can be done by clicking on the automation button in the top right corner of the screen and selecting the Create Automation option. Next, you need to choose the trigger that will initiate the automation. This could be when a new item is added to a board, when a status is changed, or when a specific condition is met. After selecting the trigger, you need to specify the action that will be taken when the trigger is activated. This could be sending a notification, creating a new item, or updating an existing item. You also have the option to add conditions to your automation, which allows you to customize the automation to fit your specific needs. For example, you can set up an automation to only trigger when a specific condition is met, such as when a new item is added to a specific board or when a specific user is assigned to a task. To illustrate this, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you want to automate the process of assigning tasks to team members when a new project is created. You can set up an automation that triggers when a new item is added to the project's board, and the action is to assign the task to a specific team member. Best practices for automating Monday.com groups include keeping your automations organized by using clear and descriptive names, testing your automations to ensure they are working as intended, and continuously monitoring and updating your automations to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your productivity to the next level. With automation, you can reduce manual labor, minimize errors, and increase efficiency, allowing you to focus on high-level tasks and drive your business forward.